Konnichiwa! Minasan genki desu ka? Tito Paeng toimasu. Okay, this is Tito Paeng and it's time for acoustic guitar tutorial. Kyowa, we're going to learn how to play Englishman in New York by Sting. Okay, first, this is our intro. E minor, A, B minor 7, E minor, A, B minor 7, E minor, A, B minor 7. That's a reggae version. Then you can do it like this. Drink coffee, I take tea, my dear. Like my toaster on one side. You can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman in New York. You can do that. So if you want to like change it a little bit, like a bit groovy. Okay, so let's get back there. King here at my side. I take it everywhere I walk. I'm an Englishman in New York. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm a legal alien. I'm an Englishman in New York. And then the chorus is just the same. E minor, A, B minor 7. Then policy, propriety, notoriety. You could end up as the only one. G. Okay, let's go there. D. Variety. And then A. Notoriety. A. You can do like. This is for really easy chords for beginners. You can have B minor or B minor 7. Only one F sharp. G with the bar chord, or gentleness, sobriety, rare in the society. A. The reason why I want the A here is because there's this chord that A sharp over, like this. Modesty, propriety, need to know the right. You couldn't know that's the only one. Gentleness, sobriety, so rare in the society. A night's a candle brighter than the sun. The sun, when you sing on the part of the sun, that's B minor 7 again, or just B minor or B minor 7. Either it depends on you, you know. But I always prefer like the instrumental. Well, normally when I play Englishman in New York, I just don't jump into that. If I'm going to play with the band, well, we can go through it. But I'm just playing acoustic. Yeah, I just skip that part. So, great. Okay, this one. Then back to the verse. But to be a man. More than a license for a gun. avoid them when you can. A gentleman would walk but never run. Matters maketh man, as someone said. He's a hero of the day. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Then chorus. I'm an Englishman. It depends on you if you want to finish it. One tip in singing, when you sing that, like, don't lock your jaws. Just relax. Always have to be relaxed here. Relax. And if you feel like there's a tension building up in your body, just relax first. One tip that I could give you before singing is you have to do your warm-ups, your breathing exercises, and make sure you're relaxed, no tension in your body, your neck. You can massage this, do your lip trills and everything. We'll get to that next time about voice and how to sing properly. Okay, see you. Goodbye. Like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell, please. Bye-bye. Enjoy. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.